Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching me from near Kikuyu town in an estate called Kidfamako. We are in Kiambu County of Kenya. In today's vlog, I want to show you an activity I'm undertaking in addition to other various activities I undertake in my home compound. Actually, the activities are related to urban farming. Now, the particular activity I want to show you today that I'm undertaking is chicken rearing. Now, I realized that I can use my garage as a chicken house because in the real sense, I do not require a garage with the strong door to park the car at night, because the compound is well secured with a permanent perimeter wall, and so using the garage as a parking lot is really a waste of resources. So what I decided is to put chicken coop in the garage, and I ended up keeping 3 coops. Each coop has 2 floors, and each floor can accommodate up to 20 chicken, meaning 6 coops can accommodate up to 120 chicken. Now, the maximum number of birds I've ever kept is 100 birds. Now, with 100 birds, one is assured of having 50 birds giving eggs. Now, 50 birds giving eggs is more than enough for home consumption. So I've ended up giving eggs to my friends and actually selling the remainder. The activity has turned out to be very lucrative because there is already a market for eggs. Now, if you are watching my channel for the first time, or you have watched my videos before and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. And also, if you like my content, kindly share, like, and comment. This would help me reach the threshold required for one to be monetized, because in addition to sharing knowledge, one is able to earn a living if one gets monetized. Thank you. This is the structure which used to be the car garage, the entrance. The coops are these ones: one, two, three. Now you can see that each has two floors, and each floor is served by a water reservoir. This for the automatic drinking system. These are the drinking nipples all along inside the chicken coop. Now, these coops are empty because the chicken have been removed for slaughter because they have finished laying the eggs. So we are in the process of restocking. This coop has a few remaining chicken. They are still laying, but they are towards the end of laying cycle. Towards the end of the coop, that's where we have the laying chamber. The feeding troughs look like this. Just simple improvised thing where feed is placed for the chicken, which feed through these openings. That is the inside of the coop. You can see the drinking points all along that pipe. So the chicken are secure from would-be predators because in addition to the chicken remaining in the coops, that main door is closed at night, and therefore the chicken are secure. The chicken feed is stored at the end here. And you can see, like this last coop, this is the first floor. That is the first floor, and that is the second floor. and the height of each floor is 3 feet, and the depth is 4 feet. The entire coop is 15 or 16 feet. And in these structures, I can be able to stock up to 120 birds. Now you'll find that on top of each floor, or at the bottom of each floor, we have that empty space, and the droppings fall from the floor to the top of next coop. That is, this is the coop, and that is the section and floor on which the chicken dropping falls. So when cleaning the coops, you just come and sweep the droppings and then take the farm as manure. So thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.